Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a hooded skull for Halloween using an iPad and the program Procreate. This video is sponsored by Appeals. Let's make the background color of a dark gray and we will use just one brush for the whole drawing. The hard blend, which is within the airbrushing menu. We begin by sketching the top of the skull and a horizontal 8 figure for the eye sockets. Then the nasal bone and the hollow part under it. And let's draw the maxilla, or the upper jaw. This skull will not have the lower jaw. And by the way, the whole thing will be drawn in black and white. And let's add some teeth, but not all of them, to make him even more spooky. I'm constantly changing the width of the brush, as needed, thin for sketching the line and wider for shading. And let's consider that the illumination is coming from the top left. I want to remind you of the ongoing Appeals Art and Design Contest with the theme Our Beautiful Earth. The top prize will get $500 and there will be several other cash as well as product prizes. Most mediums are accepted. You can submit until the end of October and it is free to participate. Go to appeals.com with the link below. Good luck! Let's create a new layer and switch the color to black. Now we will add the darks. Let's use a smaller brush here. I think the cavities under the nose bone are too low. I'll correct that. And let's also raise the lower part of the jaw. We can do this by selecting it, selecting that area, and then dragging it. With digital drawing, that's very easy. And that looks better. Now, on a new layer, let's draw the hood. This area underneath will be very dark. Let's draw the cast shadow of the hood on the skull and then darken it. Yes, let's darken it even more. I'll shorten these teeth slightly. We should try to integrate the skull more to the darkness, especially the side on our right, which is in shade. I want the light to be brighter, so we go to layer 1 where we drew it, and then on the top menu we click on Adjustments, then on Layer, and with the slider on the right we brighten it. Good, I'd like that. Let's give a tone to the hood with some texture. And what about drawing some scars, some cracks? I think the area to the left of the nose looks too flat. Let me add some light also above the eye socket and on the upper part of the chin or the zygomatic bone to give it a better shape. And I will darken the lower part and the teeth. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, trick or treat. We give it the last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to join the Appeals Art Contest with the link below. Have a spooky Halloween, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.